J'ai mis Seber en enfer. Hello, English-speaking world, all the German learners, I greet you. In this video we'll be looking at inseparable prefixes. These are 8 prefixes that you will see attached to the front of a verb. Unlike the separable prefixes, they will always stay where they are. As for the pronunciation, inseparable prefixes will not be stressed. And if one of these prefixes is at the beginning of a verb, the past participle of this verb will not receive the prefix ge at the beginning, but instead will keep the inseparable prefix that is already there. For example, sagen, gesagt, versagen, versagt. The 8 inseparable prefixes are be, ge, ent, emp, mis, ver, zer. For some of them it is very useful to learn their meaning. For others it is not so useful, but let's go through all of them. The prefix be makes a verb transitive, so you can add an object to it. For example, antwortet, he answers. That's an intransitive verb, so it has no object. Antwortet auf die Frage. He answers to the question. This is a prepositional addition. But if you want to add an object, then you use beantwortet die Frage. He answers the question. If you see be at the beginning of a verb, you automatically know that it must come with the accusative case. When it comes to ge, I don't think it is very useful to learn the meaning of it. It comes from an old Germanic grammar and was used to finalize an action. So basically it had a grammatical meaning. For example, gefallen, to be of someone's liking. Genießen, to enjoy. Gelingen, to be a success. The prefix has a lot of meanings, so it might not be too useful to learn them. It can refer to the subject itself, or it can mean one of the following things: to give in, to kill, to die, to gain, to grow, or a focused attempt. For example, sich erinnern, to remember, literally to go within yourself. Ermorden, to murder. The prefix ent and its phonetic variation emp either mean to arise, like entstehen, to come to existence, entwickeln, to develop, empfinden, to feel, literally to find something arising in you. Or it can mean away, like entfernen, to remove, sich entledigen, to get rid of. The prefix mis expresses something negative, like a mistake, a negation, or the opposite of something. For example, misstrauen, to distrust, missbrauchen, to abuse, so to use in a negative or wrong way. Missinterpretieren, to falsely interpret, like to take something the wrong way. The prefix ver, or when you say it quickly ver, has 2 meanings. It can mean something negative or a mistake, like verwirren, to confuse, sich verlaufen, to get lost, vertreiben, to drive someone away. Or it can mean to change, like vergrößern, to increase, verschieben, to change the position, verlangsamen, to slow down something. The prefix zer, or quickly said zer, expresses destruction or separation. For example, zerstören, to destroy, zerschmettern, to smash, zerfallen, to fall apart. Here's a table showing all the prefixes and their meaning again. If you remember the useful ones, you will have an easy time guessing many new verbs that you encounter. And that's it for today. Like and share this video, and if you have any questions, you can write them in the comments and I will try to answer them. Vielen Dank für Ihre Aufmerksamkeit.